Kulang pa ng leon.
The home of Saloneras.
Yung Salonera.
Ayun, happy. Yan na sila. Papalit nga lang ako ng ano. Kasi hindi yung jacket. Saan yung presidente?
Made from kapihan. Laserman rely on sea for their daily cuts and handcrafter.
Our organization is headed by our president, the person of Rickson Lomapis. And I am the vice president. My name is Sheila May. And we have here also the other members of the board of directors. Assistant Secretary, Ma'am Mary Rose Villaflor, together with her staff. Cultural Revolution. So she created Salonera. So when you say Salonera is a group of performers, dancers, singers, musicians. Then they performed in Cebu, in Leyte, and other parts of Visayas. Now when World War II broke up, some of the Saloneras took refuge in Bocas Grande Island, this place in Siargao. Okay, so this is Bocas Grande, part of Siargao Island. So some of the Saloneras there took refuge in this island during World War II. So yung mga ninuno namin, because they were really performers, so lumaki kami na talagang tinuturuan ng dancing, singing, and other performances. So in this place, during COVID-19, no? So since naka-lockdown, di ba? Naka-lockdown ang buong mundo. So we were confined here. Naka-lockdown din kami dito because of course the virus was spreading. So one of the best programs that SBSI was creating was to discover a lot of talents. Kasi magaling na yung mga bata. Yung gusto mag-paint, doon sila sa group na mag-paint. Kung sino yung gusto maging singer or maging dancer, so doon yung talaga. So actually is Omega de Salonera is actually the offshoot of COVID-19. So after COVID, the group decided even nasa bukid kami, wala kaming resources, wala kaming support from the government, but because of bayanihan culture that was instilled since time immemorial sa mga ninuno pa namin, talagang yung pagtutulungan. So we were able to make a group called Omega de Salonera. So why Omega? It's last generation. So because we believe that we would be the last generation na binubuhay namin yung mga Saloneras. So we decided to join Bunok-Bunok Festival in Surigao, and luckily it was our first time, and luckily we got champion.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so mga performers dito lang lahat, yung mga choreographers, yung gumagawa ng damit, talagang dito lang, tulong lang talaga yung the whole community. Then after that, one of the judges in the person of Sir Ricky Ballesteros saw a potential. Parang potential itong Omega de Salonera. So he encouraged us to join Sinolog. So we were champion, we were hailed champion Sinolog Festival 2023. Then that was January, and pagka May, we joined again another festival in Daegu, South Korea. It's an international festival. And again, the Saloneras became champion.
Wow.
talaga yun ay because of the pagtutulungan, because of the pagbabayanihan. Talagang dito lang walang support from other agencies, and we were able to make it even in the international stage. So for now, we are happy to welcome everyone. We see this as an opportunity na makita ninyo yung community namin. We are thriving, we are striving. Okay, so yung main hanap buhay namin dito, fishing and farming. So yung main products talaga namin, kasaba, kamote. That's why we have there. Oo, yun mga kasaba, yun na mga products. We gathered our women here. Sila yung gumagawa para maibinta din namin. And for now, we are also opening our cultural tourism, showcasing our saloneras. So later, after our snacks, after our talk, punta tayo sa tourism area. So you can see Palwa Ride. Parang binubuhay din namin yung, iba yung Palwa, yung sa mga ninuno natin, yung magpapaslide. So it's a modern Palwa Ride. This time you can experience it later. Okay, so I will not take your time much. So I will,
While next na, magwaranda, yung may story.
so our president will make a short presentation, then at the same time, you can take your snacks. Of course, you are in Kapihan, so you have to take coffee. Why that place was grown with kayapi. It's a local coffee. It's ratan. Local coffee din naman. Pero,
Kalapi diri ang kalapi. Una siya katong na ay
Orange?
bunga na orange.
Yeah.
Aslog.
Aslo.
Asa man ang mga part ang gihimong kape? Yang buto. Bawat kape na.
yun sa mga locals talaga namin.
Pero karon wala na mo gina-practice.
Kaya nasunog man to.
Pero makape
So wala na, hindi na siya
Regular silang ginawa.
was not preserved kasi nasunog yung place after the typhoon.
So, ito po, totoong kape na?
Yeah, from Nestle Philippines. But we are trying to, of course, we are planning to revive the coffee.
Inyong mga practice, inyong mga best practices ng inyong kultura diri sa Kapihan. Tagalugon na ako kay iba na dili. So, yung National Anti-Poverty Commission po ay kabilang po dito.
Well.